Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Isaac Azim bin Muhammad Syam, and for my Sustainable Construction BQS568 first assignment on green construction technology review, my chosen green construction technology is the green building material. So, a short introduction. Green building materials are revolutionizing the construction industry by promoting sustainability and environmental responsibility. These materials sourced from renewable, recyclable, and eco-friendly resources are designed to minimize the environmental footprint of buildings throughout their life cycle. The adoption of green construction materials not only reduces energy consumption and waste, but it also enhances indoor air quality and conserves natural resources, from recycled steel and bamboo to low VOC paints and insulation made from natural fibers. Green building materials are integral to creating healthier, more sustainable living and working spaces. As construction industry faces increasing pressure to address climate change and resource depletion, the use of green building materials is becoming a critical component of modern, eco-conscious construction practices. Moving on, um, moving on to the benefits of green building materials. So the first benefit is environmental sustainability, where green building material reduces carbon footprint, have conservation of resources, and also reduces waste. Next, under health and well-being, green building material improve indoor air quality and also enhance comfort, because green building material have better thermal and acoustic properties and have low to no volatile organic compounds, where it reduces harmful off-gassing and improve occupant comfort. Under economic advantages, we also have energy efficiency, increase in property value, and also incentives and rebates given by the government and some organizations. And lastly, for the benefits of green building material, we have the durability and performance, where by using green building materials, we have a longer lifespan and also enhanced building performance. Moving on to challenges of using green building materials. So, by using green building material, we have higher initial costs, where we have upfront investment and limited availability and supply chain that can increase costs and lead to delays. Next up, we have knowledge and expertise. With the lack of familiarity, builders and contractors may lack experience with green building materials, leading to potential issues in the application and performance. And also, we require training, where additional training and education may be necessary for proper installation and maintenance. Next, we have performance variability, where the use of green building material needs to suit the climate. And also, we have quality assurance, where the variability in the quality of recycled natural materials can impact the performance and durability. Next, we have regulatory and certification hurdles, where we need to be in compliance and we need to have certification of using green building material, and also the changing in regulations. By staying up to date with involving green building codes and standards that requires continuous effort. And lastly, we have market perception, where some stakeholders may be skeptical about the benefits and efficacy of green materials, and also the aesthetic concerns and limitations with some green building material affecting the acceptance in certain projects. We have a few case studies on the green building material selection, such as the biomaterial hierarchy selection framework and the uncertainty for more reliable, sustainable green products, and also the sustainability criteria for green building material selection in the Malaysian construction industry. And also, we have also examples of the implementation of green building material selection. We have one in Elderwise, so for at service residents in Tropicana Gardens in PJ Selangor. We have also Kaya Heights in Taman Equine Seri Kembangan, and also Ken Limba in Shah Alam. Now, we're going to talk about the consideration of green building material selection. So by using green building material, we have to consider a few factors. The first one is environmental impact, where we need to do life cycle assessment and think about the renewability, where preference for materials that come from renewable sources such as bamboo, cork, and sustainable harvested wood. Next, we have energy efficiency, where we think about the insulation properties, and the embodied energy by choosing materials that enhance energy efficiency through superior insulation, reducing heating and cooling demands. Next, we think about the durability and longevity, where we think about the lifespan of the project and the maintenance requirements, where select materials that are durable and have a long service life, reducing the need for frequent replacement. Next, we have the cost and availability, where we think about the affordability of using green building material and also the availability of green building material by ensuring the material is readily available and can be sourced without significant delays. Lastly, we have the aesthetic and performance, where we think about the aesthetic appeal and also the performance characteristics, evaluating how the material performs under local climate conditions and its compatibility with other building systems. Moving on, we're going to talk about the future trends in green building materials. So the first future trend is the innovative and high performance materials. In green building materials, we can see that we have more smart materials and bio-based materials, where the increased use of materials derived from biological sources such as mycelium-based composites and algae-derived products. Next, we talk about the energy generating materials, where there is building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, where the incorporation of solar panels into the building materials such as solar roof tiles and facades, and also kinetic building energy materials. Next, we have carbon negative material, where carbon sequestration and low carbon alternatives. And lastly, we have digitalization and smart manufacturing, where the use of 3D printing technology to create customized resource efficient building components, and also AI and Internet of Things integration in material selection and building management for optimized performance and sustainability. Now we have come to the recommendations for integrating green building materials in construction. So the first recommendation is to conduct comprehensive planning and assessment, where in the planning and assessment, we assess the environmental impact and also site analysis, considering local climate, geography, and available resources to select the materials that will perform best in the specific environment. Next, we need to prioritize education and training, where training for stakeholders to educate architects, builders, and contractors, and also continuous learning by staying up to date with the latest advancements in green building material. Next, we have incorporate a holistic design approach, where in the integrated design process, it involves all stakeholders, including designers, engineers, and clients, and also system thinking, considering the building as a whole system, where materials work together to enhance energy efficiency, durability, and indoor environmental quality. Next, one of the recommendation is to focus on resource efficiency by minimizing waste and they increase the use of recycled and recyclable material. Next, we have enhanced the energy efficiency and also ensuring health and safety. We have promoting renewable and local materials, and also invest in innovative technologies such as smart materials and building integrated renewables, where the materials can generate energy such as building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV. We have also planned for future adaptability, where we design for the disassembly, ensuring the building can be easily deconstructed and demolished, and materials can be reused or recycled. So, in conclusion, the selection of green building materials is a crucial aspect of modern construction that significantly contributes to environmental sustainability, economic efficiency, and also occupant well-being. By prioritizing materials that are renewable, recyclable, and are non-toxic, the construction industry can reduce its carbon footprint, conserve natural resources, and enhance the overall quality of life. A comprehensive approach that includes life cycle assessments, adherence to green building standards, and continuous education for stakeholders is essential for the successful integration of this material. As advancement in technology and growing environmental awareness continue to shape the industry, the adoption of green building materials will not only meet current demands, but also pave way for a resilient and sustainable future. Thank you.